Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing around with the James Charles palette. So I'm going to go in with 518, which is this light orange shade, and applying it all over the crease. Then we're going to pick up Strike, which is this hot pink shade, and mixing it in with the orange, which definitely makes it less vibrant. So I'm going to apply the same shade on my lid, and the hot pink is going to look a little bit more vibrant because it's not mixed with any other shade. Then I'm going to go in with my purple eyeliner, and this is from the Handaiyan brand. Now we're going to take my Elf concealer, and this is in the shade Light Sand, applying it everywhere I want to highlight, like under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, under my nose, and my chin. Now I'm going to go in with my Airspun powder, and I'm just using Naturally Neutral and applying it anywhere that I feel like I need to be matte. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight my inner corner and my brow bone using the shade Ring Light. Okay, now I'm going under the eyes using that hot pink, and then I'm going to mix it in with the orange shade. Now taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer and Rosewood, I'm just going to contour a bit my cheekbones. I'm going to touch up my forehead and underneath my jawline. It can be deceiving, I gotta know that you really mean it. We can take it slow, just hold on, cause I can't let you go. Now I'm taking my AoA Studio blush, and this is in the shade Dandy. It's kind of like a light orange shade. Now I'm taking my Elf setting mist. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Abh Amerzy Highlight and just applying it to the top of my cheekbones. Applying some on my nose as well and in between my eyebrows. Now I'm taking the LA Girl color pencil, and this is in shade Natural, and just lining my lip. I don't want to be anywhere else with anyone else. Now I'm taking the AoA Studio Matte Lipstick, and this is in shade Guava. Then in the center, I'm taking Babe Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. So now I'm taking my Essence Princess Mascara, and I'm just applying it to my upper and bottom lashes. Now I'm applying my Icy Cheer eyelashes, and this is in the style 53. These lashes are so pretty and they're really long, so I did went in with the scissors to cut a little bit at the ends of my inner corners because they're just poking me just a bit. It was just like one or two little lashes, but they were so hard to get, so I was like so happy when I finally got it. Alright guys, that is all for today's eye look. I hope you like it. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Bye.